We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 24 foot enclosed trailer that is two-toned. Up front, it does have the 24 inches of ATP Stoneguard. You have your jack, safety chains, and coupler. This does have a screwed exterior. It is silver and black. Comes with two 5,200 pound axles, Greaseable. It's fully wired with LED drive lights. Here we have the spring assisted loading ramp that's made of heavy duty plywood. There are D-rings built in. Bolts bent. The floor, the walls, and ceiling are made of heavy duty plywood as well. Does have a dome light. Comes with the light switch here by your passenger entry door. This does have an interior height of 6.5 feet. And once again, this is our 8.5 by 24 foot enclosed trailer that is two-toned. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailers that you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720.